Okay, student. Myself, Jitendra Trivedi. Now, today we study about the theorem of pair of straight line. That is, every homogeneous equation of a second degree in x and y represent a pair of straight line which are passing through region. That equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. So proof, that is every homogeneous equation of a second degree in x and y represent a pair of straight line passing through origin. So first we consider, that is the equation of a pair of straight line. You know that equation of pair of straight line is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 and equation number 1. Then there are two cases. Case 1, b is equal to 0 and case 2, b is not equal to 0. One by one we study about the cases. So case 1, b is equal to 0. So if we put b is equal to 0 in equation 1, then the last term of this equation get cancelled because 0 multiplied to every number, every variable, then it becomes 0. Therefore we get, that is here, ax square plus 2hxy is equal to 0. From this we take x as a common. So x in bracket ax plus 2hy is equal to 0. That is, it may be x is equal to 0 or ax plus 2hy is equal to 0. So we know that x is equal to 0 is the equation of y-axis, and y-axis is also one type of line which is passing through origin. Now then next, that is ax plus 2hy is equal to 0 is also a equation of line, and that line is also passing through origin because there is no constant term. Hence we get there are two lines which are passing through origin for the case 1, that is b is equal to 0. Now we study about next case, that is b is not equal to 0. For that, dividing equation 1 by x square. So we get ax square upon x square plus 2hxy upon x square plus by square upon x square. Then we get, that is the equation here, a plus 2h into y upon x plus b into y upon x bracket square is equal to 0. Now rearranging the term, we get b in bracket y upon x bracket square plus 2h in bracket y upon x and plus here, that is a is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation in terms of y upon x. We see many methods for solving the quadratic equation. Now we apply the formula method. In case of formula method, we use discriminant. Now this equation, that is b in bracket y upon x bracket square plus 2h into y upon x and plus c is equal to 0 is compared with ax square plus 2 plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to, we get b. Now then b is equal to 2h and c is equal to small a. So y upon x is equal to minus b plus or minus in square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now substituting the values of a, b and c, so we get y upon x is equal to minus 2h plus or minus in root 2h bracket square minus 4ba upon 2b. So what happened next? Y upon x is equal to, separating plus minus, minus 2h plus in root 4h square minus 4ab upon 2b, or y upon x is equal to minus 2h minus in root 4h square minus 4ab or ba upon 2b. Then here y upon x. So we multiply both equation by x. So y is equal to minus 2h plus in root 4h square minus 4ba upon 2b into x, and y is equal to again minus 2h minus in root 4h square minus 4ba upon 2b into x. Then here both equation having numerator contain 2 and square root contain 4. So 2 as it is, and from the square root 4 take as a common, it also become 2. So numerator 2 and denominator 2 get cancelled. We get new equation y is equal to minus h plus in root h square minus ba upon b into x, and y is equal to minus h minus in root h square minus ba upon b. So these are also two equations, and these two equations does not contain any constant term. Therefore we can say that these lines are passing through region, and hence we can say that both equation of, that is the lines, represent a pair of straight line which are passing through origin. Thank you.